back to my channel. Shawna here, and I am doing another Wantable unboxing today. This is my second, what they call style edit. I think I asked for resort wear. This is my last resort request. Unfortunately, we had to cancel our trip to Mexico. But that's okay. We'll see what they sent us. And I think my next boxes need to be coronavirus wear, which is lots of like sweatpants and loungewear and sweatshirts and soft, cozy, cuddly things. So that maybe need to be my next box because I'm not gonna be wearing these for a while. But we're all happy and safe. Okay, relatively happy, but we are all safe and healthy. And actually, it's been great. My kids have been great. It's been fun hanging out all together. We're so fortunate. We have a cabin that we get to go to when we need a change of pace that's in the woods and has lots of outdoor activities. So that's been lovely as well. My husband and I both work from home anyways. So it's just really bored kids is the worst of it. But we're making the best of it. We're doing our part and we just hope that this is over soon. So stay home so I can get back out there. So we all can get back out there. Okay, let's open it up and see what I got. My first edit was actually pretty good, I thought. So let's see. Oh, I got a humongous bundle. Hold on. Is it gonna come out in one? Oh my gosh, look at all that. Whew, hold on. Okay, your closet will thank you. It's really fun. It lists pictures of all the things that you get, and we'll go over pricing later. Return envelope. Oh, look it, and a nice little handwritten note from my stylist. So I'll read that in just a second. So let's quick go through what I got. Ooh, this makes me happy. It's a purse, and it's a red purse, and I love red, and I love unnecessary purses. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. It's like a clutch with a handle too. Oh my gosh, and there's a little bag on the inside, and it looks like it might have a crossbody strap in here somewhere as well because it has little loops for a crossbody right here. Oh my gosh, so that will depend on the price because I do love red purse, and that looks adorable. It has like gold rings for the like loops there. Oh, that's super cute. Okay, next thing. Maybe I didn't do a resort. This doesn't look like resort stuff, so maybe I didn't ask that. Okay, this is just a little black dress. And you know what? I have something similar to this, but I'll try it on, see how it fits. If it's fabulous, of course, and the right price, I might need another little black dress. Ooh, this is soft. Oh, this is fun. Okay. I do like a blazer, and this is like a jersey knit blazer. It's really stretchy, and that's really cute. And I don't have a black blazer. That could be adorable with like I was thinking like a concert tee or something like that. That would be cute and fun. Okay, I'll try that on. And here, oh God, this is soft too. This is just this feels like my coronavirus box. So this is Project Social Tee, and that is, they always have super soft stuff, and it has this neat colored piping. It's gray, but has like a little sage piping and a little navy piping along there, and it is amazingly soft. Let's see how that looks on. And then the last thing is some Article of Society jeans. They have a rough cut bottom. Let's see how these look on. I don't really need jeans right now, but if they look good, what do? You gotta get them. It'll probably depend, yeah, how they look and the price. Oh my gosh, they are sending me tons of stuff. I don't remember getting this much stuff last time. Okay, so this is a really sheer little, I don't know what they call it. It's crossbody kind of, what's that called? I don't know. Anyway, it's a V-neck. It's a V-neck, get over it. Shirt. I'm not always in love with this kind of material, polyester material. I feel like I get so hot in it. I don't know, maybe I'm just making that up, but it is cute, so it could be amazing on. So we'll just see how it looks. And last but not least, it is a cami, and this is really cute. It is a kind of tone-on-tone navy cami. Let me V-neck. It's really cute. I like a good cami too. So we'll have to try that on and see how it looks and see how, see what the price is. It does have adjustable straps, so that's good. All right, let me go try everything on. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and I do like these jeans. They fit well. The length is good. I could roll them and not roll them. I like the wash on them. How's the booty? Good? The sweatshirt is so snuggly and soft. I mean, in the end, it's just a sweatshirt. It has a little bit of fun style detail. It has like little cuts right there. That's just kind of a little fun detail. It is amazingly soft on the inside. The whole thing is soft. It's great. So it really kind of depends on the price for this. Again, with the jeans, I don't really need them, but I like them. All right, let's see the next thing. Yeah, let me know what you think of these. I'll try on the next outfit. Okay, here are the next items. And first is this black blazer. There's a tag poking me. And it's really fun. And I feel like sometimes they lose their shape when they're in this material, this soft kind of sweatshirty material, and I don't like them as much, but this one I think is pretty good. Also, I think with blazers, the arms can be really long, and I'm not feeling that with this either. And I think it is quite flattering, and the length is good, and it buttons, not that I want, but it does. And so I think it's a good one. Now look at this shirt. So tell me what you think about this one, because I think that it looks cute. I don't know if it's my style. I don't know. I don't do great with patterns and floral, maybe stripes and polka dots, but it does look, I think it does look cute. I just don't know if it's me. It's very sheer. It's a wrap shirt, faux wrap, whatever. And I do think it's cute. I don't know if I'd ever go for it, but it is cute. Like put on some nice black slacks and heels, put on with jeans and white tennis shoes. Like it's pretty cute. Maybe I need more colors like this. All right, let me go try on the next thing. I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided to put the cami on with the blazer, even though my sister hates navy and blue and she's beat into my head that I look like a bruise. I still did it and I still think it looks cute. But it is a real cute cami. It's really silky and flowy and flattering. I don't have the right bra on, obviously. But I could adjust the straps to make it a little bit higher if you don't like to show too much cleavage, but I do. Okay, so, all right, I have one more thing to try on. Let me know what you think about this. I think it's real cute. It'll depend on the price. I have a couple camis already, but I love the kind of faux animal print. I think it is animal print, but I don't know what. It's like a little spotted. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I love this so much. I love everything about this. I have my little red purse with the gold rings. I have this cute flattering black dress. It's got a little fun style detail to it that hangs down. The only thing, the dress isn't lined, but it doesn't feel cheap. It has a cute little waist. My bra doesn't show. It's real cute, isn't it? It's real cute, right? I work from home. When will I ever wear this? Okay, I was trying to beef up my work clothes because I had some meetings. Now I don't have those meetings, but they might come up again. So it kind of depends on the price on this. If it's a good price, I totally have to get this. What about the purse? Is the purse adorable too? Like, boop, boop. It's real cute. I love an unnecessary purse. Okay. All right. Oh, it's so cute. It's soft. It's lovely. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. I love it. All right. Let's look at prices. I'll be right back. Okay. Time to look at the prices. Did anybody else, before I do that, does anybody else, have they picked up any hobbies while they're at home, staying at home? I have. It's baking. I'm not a good baker, I'm a good cook. And so I've been baking lots of things, practicing baking. Which means that I am eating so much white flour. I'm eating so many baked goods right now, and I need to dial it back, or else all these adorable clothes are not gonna fit me when I go back out into the world. So we have to have a new hobby. I'm thinking about some new hobbies besides baking, although I have really been enjoying the fruits of my labors so far. Okay, sorry, that was a total side note. Baking is delicious. All right, the first thing is this cami. Super cute, soft, adorable. I don't have lots of places to wear it, but it is lovely. And it is by Dex, which I've never heard of before. And it's $45. I mean, I think that's not totally obscene for a really nice silky cami. I don't know if I need it, but okay, something else I don't need is another sweatshirt. However, this is what I want. This is what I'm wearing nonstop, is like comfy, lovely sweatshirts. And it is by Project Social Tee, and it's $69. It seems steep for just a gray sweatshirt, but it is really lovely. Oh, that's a maybe too. Okay, the next thing is the purple wrap blouse in lavender, and it is by West Kai, and it's $58. I'm saying they're at $58. What do you think? I don't know, these are real tough for me. Tell me if you'd say I should get it, because it's real tough for me. It's not really my style, but it does look cute on. Okay, the jeans. Articles of Society, $68. Cheaper than cut from the cloth. They looked cute on. I swear I've tried these on before actually. And I probably loved them then and didn't get them, and honestly, probably haven't missed them, but they are really cute. Okay. I'm saving the dress for last. Okay, the blazer. $98. That's like, I see that, I mean, right around that price a lot for blazers. Who makes this? Matty M. I'm not familiar with Matty M. You can get a really nice J. Crew blazer at Nordstrom Rack for cheaper than that. Man, it's really soft and lovely though. Okay, the dress. It's by H. Halston, and it is oh god, it's $88. It's not bad. That's not a bad price. That's cute though. Is it worth $88? You have to tell me. Okay, now, last but not least, the purse is by SR Squared, and it's $59. I know this too. It's so bad. Why do I want the things I don't need? It's because I just don't need that much. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the whole edit is what they call them, is $485. If I got everything, I would get a $97 discount plus tax, and then my styling fee is $22. The total, if I got everything, would be $404.80. I mean, that's kind of high, but it's a lot of stuff too. I don't think I need everything. Oh, but what should I get then? Maybe a couple things? I don't know, you guys will have to help me. All right. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please comment, tell me what you think, tell me what to get, tell me what your hobby is while you're staying home, and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Bye.